Friends, in a city with a big library lived a young man named Ayan. Ayan was very smart. He read books all day long and memorized every fact and rule. He thought he knew everything and looked down on people who worked with their hands. Ayan needed to cross a wide, fast river. He hired a simple boatman named Kesav. As they rowed, Ayan started asking questions to show how clever he was. Kesav, he asked with a proud look, "Do you know about science? Do you know how the stars moves?" Kesav smiled. "Sir, I know this river. I know where the rocks hide and when the wind will be changed. But no, I have not read those books." Ayan sniffed. "Then you have wasted a lot of your life. You have no knowledge." A little later, Ayan kept going. "Do you know about old kings? Do you know about logic?" Kesav kept rowing steadily. "I was the river, sir. My job is to keep the boat safe." Ayan looked upset. "If you know nothing of great ideas, you have wasted most of your life." Suddenly, the sky turned dark. A bad storm hit, making the river wide. The little boat shook and water splashed inside. Ayan, who knew everything in books, started to panic. He didn't know how to handle real trouble. Kesav, however, stayed calm. He quickly grabbed a rope and tied it to a heavy, round river stone he kept hidden. He dropped the stone into the river to keep the boat steady against the waves. "Smart man," Kesav shouted over the storm. "Tell me, in all your books, did you learn how to swim?" Ayan's face turned white with fear. "No, boatman," he whispered. "I was too busy reading. I never learned to swim." Kesav shook his head. "Then, sir, your whole life of study is about to be wasted." Kesav kept the boat safe and finally got them to the shore. Ayan climbed out, shaking. He vowed to the boatman, "Kesav, I was wrong. I have fact in my head, but you have the most important thing. You have wisdom. The skill to use what you know to live. I have learned more from that simple river stone than from all my books." Ayan understood that true wisdom is not just knowing things, but using them when it really matters. Friends, true wisdom is knowing how to use your knowledge, not just how much you have memorized. Skill you use in real life are more important than fact you only read in books.